I was sitting here working on this website and thought that I'm sure there's someone out there who has created a subscriber box and is like, I wonder, can I collect subscribers and emails inside of the WordPress platform? So we are using Elementor, and inside of Elementor, great thing about it is that you can collect submissions from your contact forms in there. So I'm going to show you what I do to collect submissions, but also to be able to set up an automated email for the customer or subscriber to receive, as well as me getting notification for when someone subscribes, as well as the redirecting of making sure that something happens after. So just stay tuned and let's get to work. All right. So first things first, we are, as you can see, I've already created my subscription form. So we're not creating that from scratch in this video. However, what I want to do is I want for anyone who fills out this form, I want some certain things to happen. So you want to have it selected. As you know, you want to click on the pencil, make sure you have it selected once, and not just make sure so you can see. And over here to the left, you can see that. And over to the left, you can see that it's changed. So we're not worried about editing the text. We want to make sure that some things happen when someone fills out this form. So first things first, if you needed to add additional, I guess, subscription information boxes, you just click add item and then you could do that. But here we have our email and name, and that's all we want. The main thing is we want to go down here and we want actions after submits. So once somebody submits their information, we want certain things to happen. So first thing we want to happen is we want to click on this plus sign and we want to click collect submissions. So that now is allowing the submissions to be collected with inside of the WordPress website. And the great thing about this is that you don't have to have an additional email marketing provider. You can run your email marketing through this. However, it doesn't, we're not going to get into all that, but right now we're just worried about the automation of this subscriber box. So this email is going to get the email to notify us when we get a new subscriber. Now, email 2 is going to send our welcome email to the subscriber. And then I want to have a pop-up, like a little thank you. So first things first is collect submissions. So that's in there. Then email, as you see, we see the email here. So we don't want that. So right now, I'll keep that for now. So I don't want to put their information out. So we have new subscriber to website. Now, once, as you can see, once I update this information, so I do want you to know, I do want to say that you want to make sure that this is your correct email, right? And then let me just show you what will happen. Info at. Oh no, it's this one. So if I were to put info, that changes. So as long as you have the correct email, this will come to you. So please update this information to make sure it's your correct email address to ensure that you get a notification when anyone subscribes to your website. Now, next one we want to do email 2. So email 2, this is the email that is going to go to the new subscriber. So first thing we want to do is we want to grab the email information for the subscriber. So how we do that is, and please forgive me if I don't know certain terms and all of that. And my voice, my child graduated the other day, so I was screaming. But first thing we want to do is grab the email, I don't know, short code or whatever. So I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna grab that, copy that. Oh no, I'm sorry. I want to copy this right here. So you want to copy the short code. So copy that, and then we're going to come over here to email two. We're going to put that here. Okay. We want to come back and we want this to be a little personalized. So we want to make sure that we personalize it. So we want to come here, first underscore name. Now we want to grab the short code. So anytime someone subscribes and they get an email, it's going to include their name. So we're going to say hello. And I think I've already saved this. So I'm just going to come down and we're going to put here. Put in there. So go ahead and put your information that you want to be in your email. You just basically want it to be, saying thank you for subscribing. It could be short, straight to the point. So I'm gonna say thank you. Or did we already say thank you? Yeah, we already said thank you. So let's not even do that again. Let's leave that alone. All right. Now, uh, make sure you save. But we're going to come back. So we've already put in the email for us to receive, email for the client to receive, or the subscriber to receive. Now, what I want to happen after someone completes the subscription box, I want a pop up to come. And so I'm going to open pop up. I've already created the pop up. So I'm going to put that there, hit update, hit save and close. We don't want to trigger anything else. And that's pretty much done. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's see. Just go back here. Let's test it out. Let's see. Uh-oh, I didn't put that page first. So, all right, let's go back over here. Let's make the page it's reading. Yes, that's static. Homepage coming soon. Save so that now we'll be able to see the page. So I'm gonna come back over here. There we go. Now I'm going to hit subscribe. I'm going to fill the form out. And hit subscribe. And boom, I thank you for. So that's awesome. And that is how you connect. Oh, let's check the email. One last thing. So we submitted it. Now we should be getting an email saying thank you for subscribing. And let's check it out. And you can see here that we have the email and it says new message from. I don't like how that happens. So I do say be careful when you use the ampersand. This character because it does do this extra stuff when you do it inside of there. So I'm just going to go back in and fix that because I don't want anyone to see those ampersands when they get their email. So I'm going to just go in there and fix that. And I'll just show you how to fix that while we're in here. Let me close that screen. Up and we're in the wrong room. We want to go back to the pop up. So let's come over here. And we want to coming soon pop up. And what am I doing? Okay. We want to take away those ampersands. New message from, and we want this to say, thank you for subscribing to, we could just say thank you for subscribing. I want to say something else, so, but I'm gonna leave it alone for time purposes. So, thank you for subscribing. No, we already got it there already. So, what could a header be? Let's see. Thank you for subscribing. All right. I mean, that's kind of a long subject line, but for now, it will do the job. All right. So that is how you set up your automation for your subscriber pop up on your WordPress website with Elementor. I hope that this was helpful, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And till next time, peace.